Alright, what's going on, everyone? So, I'm at a new spot. Finally back home. I just took off my box last minute because I'm going to my buddy's place, and it's at the compound with all those tight single track. I'm like, yeah, I'll take the box off so I can lean back a little bit. Just got back from Vegas, so I've been busy with work, so I'm barely home. But while I'm here, definitely gonna ride. Kimimoto just sent me some goodies for the KLX 2 I gotta put on. It is a nice day today. I was not gonna ride today, I was just gonna do laundry, but my buddy hit me up around like 4 o'clock, like, hey, we riding at the compound. I'm like, oh shit, hell yeah. So, gonna go do that now. Ride with them for a bit. I don't think they recognize me, they're just staring at me hardcore. Look at all this. Like, these guys that ride here, they're good. Like, I'm not good at jumps and stuff and like tricks, and I'm not good in that aspect. I'm just good at just fucking around, if that makes sense. So, news on my end lately, I just got a new purchase. I just bought a little mini truck. It's a little K truck from Japan. I kind of impulse bought it, high key, but I love the thing so much. It's so cool. Woo! Woo, that feels good. Let's try to get the feel for this bike. Oh my gosh, the brakes actually work. Woo! so much more powerful compared to the KLX. Oh my god! So much more power! Quarter turn, you're like about to loop the thing. It's kind of scary, low key. Should I hit the jump? I'm not a good jumper, I don't want to crash this bike yet. Oh my gosh, there's so much power compared to the KLX. It's crazy. Take it for the woods. Oh my god! I don't want to dump his bike. It's really brand new. I'll go around that. Oh, the suspension is so good compared to the KLX or T-Dub. Oh, but my arms I feel like I've just been at the gym for the last 4 hours. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm not the best rider. I can get by, but I'm not the best one. These guys out here, these guys are good, and they get to practice on stuff like this every day. So must be nice. I love this property so much. I'm glad I know these guys. Good people. Woo, man. Oh, just keep her rolling. It's like scary how powerful this little thing is. Ooh. Go that way. It's kind of tall. Oh! Let's not do that again. I suck. This ain't as tall. Woo! I never get arm pump riding my bikes. The moment I ride someone else's bike, I get crazy arm pump. I'm not good at jumping these things, so I'm just rolling. I'm not good at jumping. I'm not. I got a little air. Oh man, I got. My arms are pumping like crazy right now. It's bad. I need to get it like a legit dirt bike so I can like really hone my skills on stuff like this. Because doing this on a big heavy T-dub, you can do it. You can't hit these jumps, of course. It's just gonna tank. But I'd love to get a dirt bike just to hone my skills out here. I'll get a pitter, put it in my new K truck, just bring it over here. That'd be fun. That was awesome. Popping a wheel. God, this thing feels so heavy now. It feels so heavy and sluggish now. Which can honestly be a perk in a way. Like, downside, it's slow and heavy, but two, it's slow and heavy. If that makes sense.
I think he's been oversending
Nice. All right, let's mess around with the KLX now. Oh! I don't feel like attempting that right now. I do like what. Let me scope her out here. I could roll that. Yes. Let's watch him do this here. Nice. Whee! I like doing this stuff. This is This is stuff. Yeah, this is the stuff I like doing more, is kind of beat-bopping through the woods. That didn't sound good. I need to get out of this woods. There's something going on with this thing. I gotta look it over a bit. I think my front brakes is slightly jammed. Oh, that's free. Yeah, I feel a lot more comfortable on my own bike going up that than the big KTM. One little crack of the throttle, you're flying. With this thing, you can go like crack it half throttle or more, and it's not gonna toss the bike in the air and to loop you out. I feel like the ergos of this bike too need to be changed a little bit. My levers are kind of too high up. I need to be kind of down. It's just a little more comfortable. Honestly, for a dual sport, the suspension's not bad. It's not the most pleasant thing to be hitting jumps, but it's not bad. I'm just not good at jumping. I'm just gonna get comfortable on this little track here, hitting these smaller stuff, and then like, oh, I could have hit that. I'll try her next time around. Oh, I could have hit that. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I missed the desert, like rolling up the Kennedy Meadows in the springtime when all that lavender's blooming. Oh, it smells like you're going through a laundromat. Oh! Let's try to go a little faster on this lap here. Just got to peen the throttle just a bit at the end of the jumps to keep the front end up. I'm not doing that, that's why it's nose diving. Had to hit it once. Mirror's coming off. No. It likes to dive on the jumps. Yeah. I'm not good at jumps. I need to practice a lot more. T-Dub's surprisingly good at jumping. It just landing's the issue. Yeah. Feels like same power compared to the KLX. No, I'm joking. I need a pit bike in my life. Oh, there's a trail. Oh! I probably should have looked before I gone. Motorbike, yeah! Oh, got it, yeah! Not doing that one, okay. Yeah, I need a pitter now. Wow! Sorry, I'll bump start at like 0.1 miles an hour. Yeah, throw that one. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! That was on smoother. Jeez. Coming in hot, baby. Hold on tight. I'm not doing that. Ooh, snack my boot. I'm a better pit bike rider than I am a normal rider. It's just kind of... These little bikes are just kind of very forgivable. If you make a little mistake, it's just like your foot's already on the ground. Whew. Super fun. dirt bike. No arm pump on this thing. Where I ride that thing, I'm just like dying. This thing, I'm just fucking beat bopping, having fun. I need to get a little older Honda dirt bike or something. Yamaha. Ooh. I don't know about that one. Yes. Ooh.